Okay, next. Suppose the purchase prices and delivery costs per unit for wood, siding, and roofing used in construction are given in the table. Then the table of unit costs may be represented by the matrix C. No? Kumbaga, ito yung table. Ito yung purchase, anim na wood, or prices pa rin, prices. So, ito is, let's say, dollars yan. No? So, $6 yung wood, yung delivery, $1. For sliding, we have $4 na purchase, tapos $1 delivery. Roofing, $2, tapos $0.5. So, if the supplier announces, so kumbaga, kapag kinonvert to sa matrix, ganito siya. The first row represents the purchase, the second row represents the delivery. If the supplier announces a 10% increase on both purchase and delivery of this item, so take note both, find the new unit cost matrix. Okay? So basically dito, kailangan lang, kasi kailangan lang, increase natin ng 10%, di ba? So, dito, i-recall lang natin yung property ng matrix na kapag meron ka, let's say, matrix M, tas meron kang constant K or any scalar constant, okay? Kunwari, yung matrix natin ay ganito. So, ganyan kunwari yung matrix natin. Yun yung mga laman. So, actually, ang idea lang, kapag multiply mo yung scalar matrix sa matrix, it will just follow distributive property. Ay, wherein, ito ay equal lang sa, kapag dinistribute, kumbaga, literal, distribute mo lang yan sa lahat ng term ng matrices. So, magiging K, A11, K, A12, and so on. Tapos ito ay K, A21, and so on, and so on. So lahat i-multiply mo lang ng constant na yun. So dito kasi, para ma-increasean siya, so bali lahat ng to, no? Bali, yung K natin dito will become 1.1 kasi 1 plus 10% eh. So magiging 1.1. So, ibig sabihin, yung bagong matrix natin is 1.1 times C. Kumbaga yun yun, no? Kumbaga para masabi na nag-increase, 10% lang imumultiply mo dun sa cost matrix. And that will be equal to 1.1 times 6, 4, 2, 1, 1.5. Okay? And again, i-distribute mo lang, mumultiply mo lang yan isa-isa. Okay? So, you can actually do this in your calculator if you want. Just go to mode matrix. Okay, tapos define natin. So, itong matrix na to is 2 rows, tapos 3 columns. So, 2 by 3. Ayan. So, 6, 4, 2, 1, 1.5. Okay, and then 1.1 times, napalabasin mo lang yung matrix A, ayan. And that will give you your answer. So, that is 6.6, 4.4, 2.2, 0.55, 1.1, tsaka 1.1. Okay? And this will be our answer. So in the choices, that is the letter C, no? 6 points ito. Okay? Pero you have to be careful here, ano? Kunyari, sinabi niya 10% increase on purchase lang. So dito ka lang mag-multiply ng 1.1. No? Kapag sinabi niya naman sa delivery lang, o dito ka lang mag-multiply ng 1.1. Okay? So ganun lang.